Alonso's Chelsea have won another pre-season behind-closed-doors friendly at Cobham by beating Bromley 3-0. The early talk is that it's a 4-2-3-1 that Xavi Alonso has been employing during these behind-closed-doors friendlies. The goal scorers today, João Pedro with a goal, Emmanuel Amiga scoring again, and Jamie Gittens also finding the net. Both Gittens and Amiga have scored in Chelsea's first two behind-closed-doors friendlies this summer. Big for Gittens.
Well, it's interesting that he lines up with a 4-2-3-1 formation because everybody was expecting Xavi Alonso to set up a 3-4-2-1 or 3-4-3. But anyway, this is pre-season, so he may still end up using his preferred 3-4-2-1 formation. The only issue with that is that I'm not sure the current Chelsea squad, barring them maybe just adding a few more players, whether whether there will be an appropriate formation. Up top, it makes sense. João Pedro, Palmer to the right behind him, and to the left, Morgan. And then in the middle, obviously, Caicedo, possibly Enzo Fernandez in the middle together, and then the wing backs. It's gonna be who's the new left back? That new left back, Palestra, I think his name is Palestra, I think, and then James. And Malo Gusto as a replacement, and then at the back it's going to be Lacroix, Hato, and who's our centre back who just came back from an injury last season? I forgot his name. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting season. But I think I actually prefer the 4-2-3-1 as opposed to 3-4-3, I think. 4-2-3-1 might work a little bit more, but it depends. Okay, it also depends, obviously, if Enzo's still here by the start of the season, because he may go.
There's a lot of talk about Ali Begovic coming from Bayer Leverkusen for Chelsea right now, but Gittens is staking his claim, and Emmanuel Amiga scoring.
Gittens had a terrible season last season.
I know it's only Bromley, no disrespect, but still, as a striker, you got to put the ball in the back of.
Given that it is Bromley, the score was supposed to be at least a little bit higher. At least, 5-0 or something like that?
The net. 3-0 Chelsea win, and we move on to the big friendlies with Chelsea travelling to Australia tomorrow.